This includes the nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. The respiratory system does two very important things. It brings oxygen into our bodies, which we need for our cells to live and function properly. And it helps us to get rid of carbon dioxide, which is a waste product of cellular function.
The integumentary system is an organ system consisting of the skin, hair, and nails, and exocrine glands. The skin is only a few millimeters thick yet is by far the largest organ in the body. The average person's skin weighs 10 pounds and has a surface area of almost 20 square feet.
Welcome to the Zoo de la Castellana.
Terrestrial animals are animals that live predominantly or entirely on land, as compared with aquatic animals which live predominantly or entirely in the water, or amphibians which rely on a combination of aquatic and terrestrial habitats.
Birds, also known as aves, are a group of endothermic vertebrates characterized by feathered toothless brachios and laying of hard-shell's egg, a high metabolic rate, a four-chambered heart, and a strong yet lightweight skeleton.
Fish are gill-bearing aquatic renate animals that lack limbs with digits. They form a sister group to the tunicates, together forming the olfactors. Include in the definition are living hagfish, lampreys, and cartilaginous and bonifish, as well as various extinct related groups.
Nymphaea is a family of flowering plants commonly called water lilies. They live as rhizomatous aquatic verbs in temperate and tropical climates around the world. The family contains 5 genera and with about 70 known species. Wikipedia Scientific in Nymphaea.
The rice plant. The plant has many different variations, but is generally a short-living plant, with an average lifespan of 3 to 7 months, depending on the climate and the variety. It is not a water plant, but substantial amounts of water are required for the planting. Cultivated species of rice are considered to be semi-aquatic annuals. The height of the plant can range from 0.4 meters to over 5 meters in some floating rices.
Helianthus annuus, the common sunflower, is a large annual form of the genus Helianthus grown as a crop for its edible oil and edible fruits. This sunflower species is also used as wild bird food. as livestock forage, in some industrial applications, and as an ornamental in domestic gardens. Did you know the tallest sunflower on record achieved 8.23 meters?
The Orchidaceae are a diverse and widespread family of flowering plants, with blooms that are often colorful and fragrant, commonly known as the orchid family. Along with the Asteraceae, they are one of the two largest families of flowering plants. Scientific name Orchidaceae. Did you know the eastern prairie fringed orchid is an impressive rare orchid that is native to Ontario?
The interactions between living things and their non-living things environment make, makes up a total ecosystem. Understanding any one part of it requires knowledge of how that part interacts with the others. Ecosystems do not collapse, but do change in function, structures, and composition over time due to natural or human disturbance. Examples include the impact of drought, flooding, mowing, and herbicides.